know how time just flies. Try to poke your eyes, but you don't recognize. Now who's the real victim? Can you answer that? The nigga that's jacking on a fool getting jacked. Yeah, you don't see what I see. Every day ask for it cheap. Hey, but it's so hard to live through these years. Hey, every day ask for it cheap. So check this out, man. Look, another sunny day, another bright blue sky, another day, another motherfucker die. These are the things I would do when I was growing up. There's only one for the niggas should be growing up, and I knew it. There really ain't nothing to it.